So, ano naman, all green naman to. Pasensya na sa puno. Okay. So, for this one, tanong namin dito kay client, who is as engaged, kasi, ano siya, again, I just want to emphasize that this is for them. Okay? Next would be this one. Tagal-tagal na. So, ano namin ulit to, na-resurface namin to kay Jenny. Kasi doon sa description niya ng spam and commercial, meron doon commercial language, which involves buying and selling, yung mga call to action to buy a certain product, mga ganun. Pero ngayon, ang sabi niya is it's commercial. Okay? So, we will update that certain part of the clarification file para hindi tayo malito. No, pero for this one, this is commercial or this has a commercial intent, which will fall under recommendation quality, spam and corruption. Kahit wala na siya poster. Okay? Tayo nagkakaroon ng confusion tungkol sa ating guidelines as well as activities. Now, makikita nyo pa rin yan kasi hindi yan high priority for them right now. But, hindi na natin siya agad moving forward. So, this is January 31, moving forward. Okay? Alam pa tayo doon. Gets pa. We got it. Happy Sunday! So, for this job, we see privacy, si reviewer. Ay, tama ba? Wait.
Si auditor.
Si auditor yung non-inclusive, pero ang take dito ni reviewer is appropriate pa. Yung prompt 1, 2, and 4. So, ang take dito ni auditor is that this is let me just this is appropriate pa because this is inclusive because we already know na ang tinutukoy ditong the mans is real. Bakit nag-preference ito? Because Emerald Adog Mayornito is a public figure na athlete. Kaya siya nag-appropriate. So, goods ba tayo sa inclusive before we jump to relevance and diversity? Questions regarding inclusive? Sige, go ahead.
Kasi po, yung last na sinabi niya about inclusive and personal questions, parang
Meron kami binaba regarding that. Kasi this would be, pag tinanong mo siya, this can be generalized by the response.
so yung sinasabi niyo po yung kapag gano'n, parang you're particularly mentioning in person yung image din po.
Ito yung take ko. So, for me, iba kami na, we will calibrate this sa eternally. Pero yung take ko dito, intrusive ito. Tapos ito, okay. So, we will check with the other auditors. Kasi, ayun nga, as you have said, I remember it ako din babaan na yung pag ganitong mga scenario, medyo generalize yung magiging result. So, thank you for bringing them up, Parison.
So for now po, pag merong yung V, ganyan, ni article, so will tag as intrusive po. Tapos yung iba, yung 1 and 4 would be personal po ba? Ganun po ba for now?
Yes, for now. Tapos, pwede naman ito